Hello everybody, this is Widdershins of the Squadcast, back with another art tutorial. This one's a bit more of a freestyle pattern, but it makes this lovely squiggledy higgledy piggledy design that you see before you. Yeah, it's not really that hard to do. It takes a little bit of getting used to. It's pretty easy to trap yourself into a corner if you're not careful, but yeah, it makes this lovely design. So I guess I'll just show you how to do it. Alright, so as you can see here, I have a little 6x6 grid, and it can be any size you want as long as it is an even number. It's very important, no odds. So 6, 8, 10, whatever you want. 4 is on the small side, but it'll still work if you want it. And so yeah, let's start off. Now this pattern is pretty freestyled. You just kind of do whatever you want. But the basic building block of it is you have a little ribbon, which is, you know, it has a direction, up, down, left, right, however you like it, and you're just going to put a ribbon into each square. They can be however long you like. You can have them be 2 squares long, 3 squares long, whatever suits your needs. And yeah, you just kind of start filling in the squares. So we'll put a long one up and down there. I don't know, we'll go here like that. Let's see, I guess we'll go like that maybe, and then let's see. All right, so we're coming to the edge here, and this is the point where you have to start worrying about going off the edge, because you saw that ribbon, that one, if we continued it, would just fly right off the edge of the map, and we can't have that. So what I did is I just turned it right. And let's see, we'll look at this one. This one is going forward, it's going under that one, but if it came up and it was straight, it would fly right off the edge of the map, and we can't have that. So we're going to have it turn to the left and meet up with that one. A nice little arch. Yeah, we're just going to keep going. I'll put a straight one in like that. We made it to the corner, and again, if that one keeps going, it's going to fly off the edge of the map. So we'll turn it just like that. And let's see, we'll turn that one right around there, form a nice large corner like so. And let's see, this ribbon, that ribbon's coming through, so we'll go like that, and like that, and then can't have it go off the edge, so we'll turn it. And really, when you do this, if you do it, it's going to be a lot different, I suppose, because you can just kind of do it however you like. Just be very careful not to trap yourself into corners. It might take you a little bit to get used to not blocking yourself off in some way. Here I'll show you recording attempt number 1. This was recording attempt number 1, and I trapped myself into a corner here. I had too many ribbons going in, so if you want to puzzle over this and see why it doesn't work, yeah, just be very careful not to trap yourself into corners. Like here, how are we going to do this? I think I'm going to go like so. Ooh, this is kind of risky. How about this? We'll pull this guy from here, because you see this ribbon's coming down, it's going under, so it's going to go like that. And I think, yeah, we'll pull this one to the left here, and that might seem like a bit of a strange decision, but as far as I can tell, it's the only option out at this point. So we'll go like that, and yeah, then we can bring this guy through like that, and then let's see, we got one going to the left there. This one, whoa, that's coming way from down there, or away from up there, so we'll tie that off like that, and we're coming to another corner here. So we got to do our corner thing, which consists of the large circle. So we'll do ourselves a large circle like that, and let's see, we got 2 ribbons going that way, so there's really only one thing we can do here, which is form an arch, or a macaroni noodle, whichever you like. macaroni noodles taste better in my opinion. And yeah, we'll go like that because there's a ribbon coming that way. Go up in a loop like so. Now we have all of our boxes filled in just like that. So this is pretty much your final pattern. All you have to do is you have to go through and fill in all of the little gaps along there like that, just so that it looks like a completed design. So yeah, this is the pattern pretty much. Call it whatever you like. Again, makes very good last minute birthday cards, or you know, whatever holiday cards if you're not feeling very festive. But yeah, we have our single loop here. We'll just finish filling it in like so. Ooh, a little bit here, look at this. So this one, we need to draw in 2 lines there because it's going under. So we'll just finish drawing the lines just like that. Oh, wait a second, missed a spot. Okay, there we go. Alright, for real this time, we have finished. So this one's actually kind of interesting. This has 2 loops. So we have this kind of loop here in the middle, and then we also have this one that kind of swerves all around the outside. But yeah, this has been Widdershins of the Squadcast. Have a lovely day.